Hello, I'm Daniel Zivetsz, the lead computer technician and website software specialist at West LA Computer Expert. With over 2 decades of experience in computer support, I'm here to share how we can assist you with your PC and network needs. At West LA Computer Expert, we offer a comprehensive range of services tailored to keep your technology running smoothly. Our primary services include PC hardware support, maintaining and troubleshooting PC to ensure optimal performance. We also provide network support, setting up and maintaining local networks to ensure the health and performance of your office devices. In addition, we specialize in virus and malware removal, safeguarding your PC or laptops from harmful software that can impact performance and security. Beyond that, we offer web design and development services, creating professional, custom websites and software tailored specifically to your business or personal requirements. Every service we provide includes a complimentary optimization of your system to ensure it's running efficiently. What truly sets us apart from other computer service businesses in Los Angeles is our personalized approach. We understand your time is valuable, so we schedule appointments promptly, often on the same or next day. We take the time to get to know your systems, networks, and specific needs so we can provide tailored solutions that really work for you. Our ideal customers include small business owners, home-based professionals, and individuals who value dependable and efficient computer support. Whether you're managing a small office or simply need assistance with your personal technology, we're here to ensure your systems function seamlessly. When you first contact us, the process is straightforward. You can reach out via our website's contact form, email, or phone. We'll discuss your specific situation and schedule an appointment at your convenience. Our goal is always to resolve your issues promptly and effectively, minimizing downtime and disruptions. In cases of emergencies or urgent situations, we prioritize immediate support. We offer on-site visits throughout West LA and surrounding areas to quickly resolve your critical issues. If more convenient, we can perform repairs at our location with no additional fees. Additionally, we provide remote support using tools like Quick Assist, ensuring we can help you no matter where you're located or how urgent your issue may be. We take pride in the quality of our work and are fully committed to customer satisfaction. While warranties and guarantees vary depending on the specific service provided, you can always count on receiving attentive, thorough, and reliable support. Your satisfaction is our primary goal. At West LA Computer Expert, we're dedicated to providing personalized, efficient, and reliable computer and network support. Your technology is always in good hands with us. Thank you for considering West LA Computer Expert for your tech needs.